Embarking on an overseas journey? Maximize your luggage space with these detailed tips. First, familiarize yourself with your airline's luggage policy to avoid any surprises. Choose a lightweight suitcase to dodge extra weight charges. Wear heavy coats and boots on the plane to save space. Roll clothes instead of folding to fit more in your bag and use vacuum bags to compress them further. Organize with packing cubes for efficient use of space. Swap out physical books for digital versions on your devices. Select multifunctional clothing and items that serve more than one purpose. Be ruthless in packing only the essentials to keep your luggage light. Remember to leave room for souvenirs you'll collect on your travels. Use a luggage scale to ensure your bag meets weight requirements. For longer trips, plan to do laundry instead of overpacking. Lastly, be aware of the fees for overweight luggage to make cost-effective decisions. Pack smart and enjoy your travel without the burden of too much baggage.